Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. You can sure tell it's getting close to Halloween. People start sending me skulls and crossbones. This person wants these bones on this skull. They actually want it in the forehead. Now they're both bitmaps. So we got to trace both of them. We need to make them both smaller. I truly think it makes Corel job a little easier. Go to trace bitmap, outline trace. I haven't done this, but I feel real confident these are going to be perfect. And there you go. There's that. Now let's take the yellow box trick, fill it in with yellow, go to object order, back a page. And the only thing we have to do to this one is go up to object group and ungroup it. And we can do two things. We can move the skull over and leave the eyes, or we could have deleted the eyes. Now in this one, same thing, trace bitmap, outline trace Clipart. We only want the bones. It did a little weird thing there, but that doesn't matter. And now we can break these apart. You could actually draw bones. Let's ungroup it. And let's see what if we can just get, see those bones are interconnected. So let's do this. Let's get rid of that. And let's left click, right click. Now this is that one has a double set of lines. So that what we can do to make life easier is to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in this bone. I don't like that blue. And you can see I'm using somebody else's file with CMYK. Wow. Oh, I see what it is. It's leaking. That's leaks right there. So what we can do is just modify that a little bit by, you know what I'm going to do also, I'm going to take this, when it is a hairline, it's just that I'm zoomed in so much. Let's just take a 2-point line. And I'm going to go from that node to that node, and you can see a little bit of hangover. And that is not a hairline. Sometimes it does that. See, it changed the line. That's all we need though. So now take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And we have a bone. Now these are probably at 45-degree angles, so we can control D and then mirror it the other direction, and we have our bone. Now what I'd like to do, he wants those inside there and be transparent. We're going to left click, right click, and we're going to grab both bones and we're going to weld them together. Now what we can do, let's get rid of all this. Well, let's get rid of the yellow box now. Let's get rid of all this stuff and bring this, and see the welding kind of held it all together. I'm going to take away the black. I'm going to take away my crossbone, or not take them away. I'm going to put them in there. It's a pretty good looking skull. And then just make them the appropriate size. They're going to engrave this. And it's kind of unique, it's a little lopsided. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to do that and move it over, and do that to move it over. And for the one I'm doing it for, I never know when somebody sends me a file. Make sure it's RGB black. You'll get a lot blacker engraving. Anyway, let's always look at it with the yellow box again. And it will really make it show off what it's going to look like. And you can make those bones they're a pretty good looking set of bones. You did a good job on that. You know, even though his head's crooked, I might straighten him up a little bit. But that's beside the point. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.